Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my very first giveaway. I'm going to be giving away this Notpolish trio. You get the gel polish, regular polish, and the acrylic. And the color I'm giving away is Fiesta Sista, which is number M-19. I'll go ahead and leave the details a little bit later in the video. Today we're going to do some Valentine's Day nails, and I'll go over everything I used with you guys. So I pre-prepped my red iguana hand with the C-curve nails by Notpolish. I was lucky enough to get a pack of them. And then the glitter that I am using is actually a Glitterbels glitter. It is called Arabian Nights. It's a pre-mixed glitter. It already has the acrylic in it. And I just laid a little fine layer of that, scooching them around where I wanted. The hearts I used are just individual hearts that I got off of Amazon, and I pulled the teal and the purple from the Arabian Nights glitter, and those are the color hearts I used. So I just moved those around where I thought they looked pretty also. I went ahead and let that acrylic set up for a little bit so that the glitter didn't spread on me when I come in with Fiesta Sista and do an ombre over that glitter. When I do my ombre, the color that I'm ombreing over, whether it be another color or a glitter in this case, I lay it right at the base of that and then just swipe it up over lightly. And then I'll go in with a second bead for my cuticle bead. And if I need to use more than those two beads just to perfect my shape or ombre, I'll go ahead and do that also. I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact design on the pointer finger.
Tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza, eso no se me olvida. Ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. You said that you needed me. Like a cargo, you will carry me.
I was just kind of coming up with this design on the fly, so I decided to do a little whimsical look, and I went ahead and put the Fiesta Sista at the cuticle, and then I'm just gonna do little ribbons of the hearts with a little bit of the Arabian Nights over that.
Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. You've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under.
On the middle finger, I am going to go ahead and do an extended nail bed. And when I do my extended nail beds, I like to place a decent sized bead and just pat it down and play with it till I get it the length and the shape I want it. And then I go ahead and build it up and fill in at the cuticle. I am by no means an expert on an extended nail bed, so I am very glad that you can go in and refine it with a hand file after you're done, which is what I will do before I go ahead and place the glitter at the tip of the nail.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this bar?
I went ahead and refined that extended nail bed off camera, and now I'm going to go ahead and lay the Arabian Nights down first, and then the purple and teal hearts over that.
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo.
Now that I have my design laid, I'm going to go ahead and cap all the nails with clear acrylic. And for that, I do like my bead a little wetter so that I don't have any bubbles in my acrylic. I like it nice and as glassy, crystal clear as I can get it. So I do like to work with smaller beads, especially since these nails are so long. I have not perfected a one bead method by any means. So that's what you'll see me doing, just applying smaller beads and covering all my acrylic, covering my ombre, so that when I go to file out, I don't mess anything up.
Por favor, toca mis quienes eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saca soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Que lo que sé es que sin ti no es lo mismo, amor. No escuchemos lo que digan los demás. Desde chiquitos sabíamos alguna vez dar este sueño.
You'll see me swiping my sides a lot and patting them in, just trying to maintain my shape as much as possible so that my file out's a little easier. But I did go a little crazy on my capping on this, so it took me a minute to file these out and get them how I wanted them to look.
Por favor, toca mis quienes eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saca soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo.
When I cap an extended nail bed, I like to put my bead of acrylic just on the opposite side of the extended nail bed and pull it up into it just to work it all into all those nooks and crannies up on the side and the front, and just I'll brush it back up toward the cuticle and try and fill in every area and make sure that it is all capped. So just out of curiosity, what do y'all usually do for Valentine's Day? My husband and I usually don't celebrate it too much. Our wedding anniversary is 4 days after. This year will be our 26th year. And just due to the coronavirus and everything, we don't really have any plans this year. But usually we go out for a nice dinner and try and celebrate both at the same time. And it's usually a whole lot easier to get a dinner reservation. And as usual with my red iguana hand, I went ahead and filed and buffed off camera. And then I'm going to use Swipe by Young Nails to go ahead and clean off all that dust from the hand and the nails. So here I'm going to go ahead and use Matte It by Notpolish. And I thought I was going to do all of the nails in Matte It, but at the end I ended up changing my mind and going ahead and using Shine It by Notpolish on the middle finger and the ring finger, just to change it up a little bit. I wanted to see a little bit of the glitter. I love the muted glitter, but I also really like to see the shiny glitter, so I said I'll just do a combo. So here I used some of the gel polish of that Fiesta Sista, and I did mix, just to mute it down a little bit, some of the Profile Backstage Frosting White gel paint, and I made it a pretty color, and I went ahead and painted little lips on. And for the lips, I just drew like a little flat M, and then I didn't want the bottom of them real straight, so just kind of made a swervy line for the bottom and then filled it in. And then I just go ahead and kind of do the same for the bottom. I go ahead and make the bottom of the lower lip, and then I match the top of the lower lip to the swerve of the upper lip and then fill it in. Then I'll go ahead and sprinkle over it with Fiesta Sista acrylic. And after it has absorbed in, I go ahead and give it a full 60-second cure. So while you all are watching me do the final design on the nail, I'm going to go ahead and tell you how you can win this color, which is absolutely gorgeous, perfect for Valentine's Day, perfect for spring. Once again, it is Fiesta Sista by Notpolish. So what you're going to do is on my Insta, be sure you're following me and like the post in regards to this video. And then make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Like this video, and comment your Insta handle in the comments so that I can get a hold of you and let you know you're the winner. I will be sure to put the rules down in the description box.
es que sin ti no es lo mismo, amor. No escuchemos lo que digan los demás. Desde chiquitos sabíamos alguna vez se daría este sueño de estar en pie al lado de la que amo, la que más adoro, la que me ha impregnado su amor en mi piel. Tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío, tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primaveras. Por favor, tócame, es quien eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Quiero ser el hombre.
For me, this truly is my favorite part of a glitter design, is going ahead and top coating it with some shiny gloss and seeing that glitter just pop.
No se me olvida ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense.
And before you do any hand-painted design on it that is going to be sugared, you want to make sure that your top coat is down and cured first.
Seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's
I hope you guys enjoyed this design and just want to wish you luck on winning the Fiesta SistaTrio. If I could just ask you to please put a like on this video, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thank you. And I will leave a video of the finished product at the end as usual, and a picture I have this time also that doesn't have writing over it and everything. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
like a late night.